The reality of the situation is a lot of times when people come to me after they've been injured in an auto accident or they've been the victim of a crime, they're unfamiliar with the process. They've never spoken to a lawyer before. Here at Conoscienti, Ledbetter and Archer, we make this process as easy as possible. We take you through your case step by step and guide you along the way.
It was March of 2017. We had just moved here. My husband had just bought a motorcycle a couple months beforehand. We hadn't had it on the road yet. That morning, which was March 1st, 2017, he was taking his first on the road ride going to work. He left. About 15 minutes later, I was going into my bedroom and I got a phone call. They just needed me to come to the hospital. And I asked what was going on. They said, we're working on your husband. That's all we can tell you. We just need you to come to the hospital. That day he got in an accident. He was hit by another car on his way to work. My lady that didn't stop at a stop sign, just in a hurry to get to work, no other circumstances. She was just not patient, just couldn't stop the 3 seconds at a stop sign. And sorry. That was the last morning that we saw him. He spent 7 days in ICU, and then he passed away on March 7th. We took him off life support. Sorry. Those days afterwards were probably some of the worst days of my entire life. My sister was able to reach out to someone, and that someone was Blake and his firm, and they came into our lives when we needed it, because when you're in that situation and those circumstances, you don't really know what you need to do. You're scared. You don't know how to move forward. Blake coming in and taking care of those things with such ease and compassion and kindness, I can't even imagine how I would have gotten through it without him and the law firm. They were all there for me. My whole family, not just me. I have 2 children that he was there for. There are certain financial aspects of my life that needed to get taken care of, and I wasn't able to do that. I wasn't physically able to do it. I wasn't mentally able to do it. My heart couldn't do it. You know, Blake and his law firm is the ones that did that for me and my family. They always checked in with me. I was always in the loop. They always took care of me. You know, you go to a courthouse and you go in there, you know nothing. And Blake made that easy for me. He cared. He was kind, compassionate. He took care of us. If it hadn't been for Blake, things I do believe would be so much different in my life. I have secured my future for my girls. I have secured a home for my girls. I have secured so much stuff that would not have gotten done without Blake. There's no way. And that was priceless.
Every case is different, and that means every case needs something different. And that is what you get here. Representation that is individually molded to fit the specific needs of your case. My name is Avery Archer. I graduated #1 in my class from Atlanta's John Marshall Law School. I obtained my law license in Georgia and Florida, and I immediately got to work. I joined Conoscienti, Ledbetter and Archer in 2017 and made partner at the firm in 2022. The reason I chose to partner with the lawyers at our firm is the personal service we are dedicated to providing. At our firm, we help you every step of the way to guide you through a complicated situation. We handle the stress of your case so you don't have to. We strive to make a tough situation a little easier for you. You get lawyers who carefully analyze the individual facts of your case in order to advocate and push for the result you deserve.
We meet with each client and we really listen and customize their case to meet their needs.
We want to give you a voice when it feels like no one is listening.
Each client has their own story. We take our responsibility seriously when we tell your story.